Your business runs on people doing hundreds of things every day, but what's getting missed? Right now, it's probably lost in WhatsApp, spreadsheets, and emails. Things get reported but never resolved. They just disappear. Meet Storecall. It lets you put any process into your team's hands: site inspections, daily procedures, and approvals, whatever your operation needs. And nothing just gets submitted and forgotten. Every item moves through stages until it's actually done. You can see exactly where things stand at any point. When something needs attention, the right person gets notified straight away or escalated. No chasing. No, did you see my message? They pick it up, fix the issue, upload the proof, and it all links back to where the problem started. So your manager doesn't just see that something went wrong. They see who handled it, what was done, when it was closed, and the evidence to prove it. Now, most platforms stop here. This one doesn't. Nova is your AI analyst, built right in. Ask it anything in plain English. Which sites are falling behind? What's taking too long to get resolved? What are the most common issues across all your locations? It looks across everything your teams have done and gives you the answer in seconds. No reports to build, no data to export, just ask. Inspections, daily processes, assets, AI, one platform. Storecall, the operations platform you actually need.